Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 power x times 5 power x equals 60 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this 5 power x times 5 power x equals 60. We can write this as 5 power x whole square equals 60. So this becomes 5 power 2x equals 60. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 5 power 2x equal log 60. And as for log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So this becomes 2x log 5 equal log 60. Now, if I'll divide both sides by log 5, so this will cancel out. So 2x equal log 60 by log 5. So 2x equal log 60, I can write it as 5 times 12 by log 5. So 2x equal log 5 times 12, we can write it as log 5 plus log 12 by log 5. As per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So 2x equal log 5 by log 5 plus log 12 by log 5. This will cancel out. So 2x equal 1 plus log 12. We can write it as 6 times 2 by log 5. So 2x equal 1 plus log 6 plus log 2 by log 5. So, or x equal 1 by 2 plus log 6 plus log 2 by 2 log 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.